Sir, nag-respond na po si Attorney Libutan doon sa manifestation kanina ni Attorney Season. Ang sabi niya, wala namang color yun, hindi done in bad faith yung kanyang Facebook post. Ano po ba ang official position ng defense?
Well, sa atin, kanina, our lead counsel, Attorney Season, just felt the need to raise that kasi kumalat siya sa social media. I'd like to also respect, of course, si Attorney Ligutan because hindi naman siya nakapagsalita rin kanina. I think bibigyan siya ng time on Monday. So, hindi nila ako mag-comment doon. I think Attorney Season already expressed what she had to express earlier. I don't want to add on pa to what she said. I also don't want to add on, add fuel to the fire. So, nasabi naman, kailangan nang sabihin, nagsalita na rin ating presiding officer. So, intayin na lang natin sa Monday at in fairness, bigyan din naman natin si Attorney Ligutan ng pagkakataon na magsalita dahil hindi siya nakapagsalita kanina.